So, we've made progress. I got in. Here we go. Got them all off the roof. Yay, sky! The only thing is, we have a bit of a problem. I wanted to knock this wall out, and when I've come inside, we have a little blackbird nest. So I'm going to have to leave this for the day now. Well, for a while. I just hope that when I get back to it and they've fledged, they haven't undone all my hard work. But anyway, while I am in here, I'll give you a quick tour. So I found a crate. I can see a Castrol GTX bottle, some random panes of glass, some slates, lots of rubble and polystyrene, bits of tins, some more slates. There's a window, and that must be the hole that goes to outside, if you can see it through the what's left of the brambles. But look, no brambles, all gone. Just need to wait for little blackbird. Oh, I think it's a blackbird. Yeah, blackbird to fledge, and then we can crack on. Operation get this wall down, and this wall down. And there's a little hole that we can see from the other side with some broken bottles in, and these are the ones that I found inside. We've got a Reese and Richards R&R from Slethley, and some sort of nightly, to Cooper's Square Face, whatever that is. Knock you out juice by the look of it. So yeah, but she's looking a bit better.